there's a window where Uber's insurance stops and yours hasn't kicked in. Most Colorado drivers have no idea. And if you crash in that window, you could be paying for everything yourself. So here's what nobody explains when you start driving. Uber and Lyft do cover you, but only in certain moments. Your personal insurance covers you, but only in certain moments. And there's a gap in between where neither one really does. I'm gonna walk you through the 3 periods of rideshare coverage, where the gap is, and where I actually did about it in Colorado. I'm not a lawyer or an insurance agent. This is just what I learned the hard way. So rideshare insurance works in 3 periods. Period 1, app is on, you're waiting for a match. Period 2, you accepted a ride, you're driving to the pickup. Period 3, passengers in your car. Period 3, you're fully covered. Uber and Lyft carry a commercial liability policy, $1 million, that's the easy one. Period 2, you're always covered. Same commercial policy, you're on a match, they've got you. Period 1 is where it all falls apart. App is on, no ride accepted, you're just sitting there waiting. Uber and Lyft provide contingent liability coverage. Now here's what the contingent means. It only kicks in if your personal insurance denies the claim first. And your personal insurance will deny it because you had the app on, because you were driving for hire. So here's what most drivers think. I have full coverage on my car, I'm fine. No. Most personal auto policies exclude livery and rideshare. If your insurance company finds out you had the app on when the accident happened, they can deny the claim, all of it. And they will find out. Uber and Lyft report. The other driver's insurance investigates, it comes out. So period 1, app on, no match. You could be looking at no liability coverage from Uber, no coverage from your personal policy, and no collision coverage at all. Your car, medical, your problem. If you're following the whole journey, rideshare to premium to my own company, that's the channel. Follow for the real rideshare life. Now, here's what actually fixes this. So there's 2 options. Option 1, a rideshare endorsement on your personal policy. Most major insurers in Colorado offer it. It runs about $10 to $20 a month. What it does is it extends your personal coverage into period 1, fills the gap. Simple. Option 2, a commercial policy. More expensive, more coverage. This is what you need if you're going premium. If you're doing Uber Black, Lyft Black, running your own car service, you need commercial, period. I'm not gonna name companies or tell you which one to pick. I'm not an agent, but I'll tell you what I did. I called my insurance company, told them I drive rideshare in Colorado, and asked for a rideshare endorsement. That conversation took 10 minutes. 10 minutes to not lose everything in a crash. Colorado does regulate rideshare insurance. Both companies have to carry certain minimums, but the minimum is liability. That's damage you cause to other people. It doesn't cover your car in period 1. That's on you. So here's the checklist. 1, call your insurance company. Ask if they offer a rideshare endorsement. 2, if they don't, find one that does. 3, if you're going premium or running your own service, talk to a commercial insurance agent. Don't wait until after something happens. This is the part of rideshare nobody posts about. Everybody shows the earnings. Nobody shows what happens when the app's on and something goes wrong. 10 minutes and $20 a month. That's the difference between a bad day and losing everything. This is where most people quit. They get hit with something they didn't know about and they're done. I'm not quitting, I'm fixing it before it happens. Follow for the real rideshare life from rideshare to premium.